Hello everyone, this is Miles from Henan New Energy. Today, please allow me to introduce these products. These three products called dismantling joints. Usually, these products used for the energy field, such as power plant, electricity plant. So, today let me tell you something about the dismantling joint. The specification of the dismantling joint and pipeline must fit the design requirements before the installation. 2. It is forbidden to use the dismantling joint with the wrong length for the pipeline connection part, or it will reduce the function of telescopic device and the service life. 3. Welding slag is not allowed to splash onto the surface of the products, while adding the actual piping equipment and the supporting parts. 4. After finish the installation, remove the transport part and adjust the limit device to the specified position, which is from design requirements, as soon as possible. This can keep the pipeline system has enough displacement under the environmental condition. 5. All the parts of the dismantling joint shall not be jammed or restricted by a certain way. Make sure all the parts can work in a good condition. That's all, friends. See you next time.